I'm not a mess. Need to rest. I'm not a mess. Need to rest. I'm not a mess.
Hello everybody, hope you all are doing well. Today we're going to do a world tutorial on how to add the AI that I have walking around in one of my worlds. This was requested by Wolflove on how to set it up, so hope you all enjoy and let's get started, shall we? Okay, so the first thing you want to do, because VRChat updated shit and it's really ridiculous, is you're going to want to use the VRChat creator bullshit tool thing. And you're going to need Udon Sharp, the latest version, the VRChat SDK, the VRChat client simulator to make life easier on testing, VRChat SDK, and Udon. Secondly, you are going to need to go to here, which I'll have linked in the description, but grab English, the latest release of the Simple AI. Download that to your desired location, and then all you want to do is double click it, or click it in general, import to your project. Wait 20 years for this to, do its thing. Excuse me. What you want to do is create an empty object. Name it world or whatever. Okay, so now that you have your doggo in the scene, you want to go to Simple AI, TXL AI, Simple AI Prefab. Drag him into your scene of your world. Make sure he's not clipping to the floor. And what you want to do next is go to Window, AI, Navigation. It'll open up this pane right here. You want to go over to Object and toggle this one right here. Go back to Break, click Break. And this will show up. This is the area of the dog where it's going to walk around, or your avatar. And for testing, we're going to hit play and make sure that he is actually moving. In theory, he should move unless, yep, there you go. There he goes. So now that you have him working and he's actually moving around the scene, excuse me, we will click play and we will go to Inspector. And here comes the fun part, everyone. So what you want to do is, excuse me, right click, unpack prefab completely. That way you can edit it. Go back to assets, avatar for your given avatar that you want to add. And then we want to go to scene, open me first. And we're just going to grab this guy, the default. Delete these. Oh, I can just actually drag this up here. I'm a dork. Okay. Remove from scene. Okay, good. So now what we want to do is create, or actually correction, we want to hit the drop down menu for Simple AI. Drag the Canis Wolf onto that. Zero him out so he's in the same location as the doggo. Make sure that they're lined up to make this a hell of a lot fucking easier. And remove any unnecessary components that are not needed. You want to select your Canis Wolf. Go to PhysBones to DynamicBones. Select the 3D model, which would be the Canis Wolf. In my case, click OK and apply. That will make a duplicate of said Canis Wolf. We want to grab him, which he's going to be right there, of course, for no given reason. Zero him out. Bada bing, bada boom, and he's zeroed out. Now what you want to do is open and expand, delete the triggers, delete the colliders, keep the dynamic portions. So all that there is dynamic. Grab the Simple AI. Now we don't need the pickup script, we don't need a lot of this stuff. The main thing, we don't need the fetch, so we can actually just ignore that stuff. Click the Simple AI, which is the base Simple AI. Right click, copy component. Go back to the Canis Wolf. Right click, paste as new. And you want to do that for each component excluding sync. It's a tedious process, but in the end, you will have yourself walking around your VRChat world. Okay. And we don't need the sync stick. Actually, oh, correction, we do, sorry. So we want to take that sync one and drop it onto the Canis Wolf. Make sure it's selected still. And for the base animation, we just want to drag the Canis Wolf on there. And make sure his animation is there. Which it isn't, so we're gonna select this guy. And we're gonna go to Canis Wolf. And what we're going to do is I'm going to leave a download for this in the description. But you're going to want a, once I freaking find it, you're going to want a walking animation. Because the walking animation that comes with the simple AI unfortunately does not, it does not work. Unfortunately. Okay, now that we have the walking animation that I finally found, I will leave a download for it in the description as well. We want to go to Wolf Walk and change that to that. And what you want to do next is you can customize these things to how you like them, depending on how far you want it to walk, how big your world is, so forth. And what you want to do is come down here and you can now safely delete the base and the stick. What you want to do is click on walk. And you want to scale the height to the height of your avatar. Like that. There you go. And you want to make sure that he is touching the floor of your world because it's going to look weird if it's not. There we go. And that should be it. Now if we double check everything, make sure things are good. Good. Ignore the missing. Don't worry about that. We can now hit play, and in theory, he should start walking. Excuse me, dying. There we go. And like I said, the sitting, I'm gonna have to show you guys a few more things, but as you can see, he's now walking. So you come up here, go to animation, and we delete these because you only need those two. We go to, give me a second. Basically, all we need is the proxy idle animation, which you can get from the default avatar SDK. And if I find where the fuck I stuck it, there we go. There's the proxy SDK, or that proxy idle. Fucking god, I know English today, I swear. Now if we hit play, close that. See, he's standing normally. And then he's walking. And bada bing, bada boom. There you go. So that is the end of the tutorial. That is how you set up the AI with a avatar. I will leave all resources and info in the description. And I thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys later. Peace.